is always part of student subject. Most of us think that math is a tragic, often turned out equations to be problematic because we want answers automatic. To answer equations, we use proper operations. The solutions may have different options. We might use additions and subtractions, and even multiplications and divisions. Mathematics deals with formulas and numbers. We practice, count, and remember that even in my sleep, I have nightmares. But still, I love mathematics, and that's all matters.
Ang pamagat ng aking tula ay ang matematika sa mundo. Bata pa lamang, rinding-rindi nako sa'yo. Pagbilang ng tama, napakasakit sa ulo. Ngunit nang lumaon, natutunan ko, mahalin ang matematika ng buong buo. Minsan mahirap isipin kung paano ang mundo kung hindi ito na-imbento. Marahil nang huhula lang tayo ng tamang takbo at sukat sa ating mundo. Matikay isang instrumento, bigay ng may kapal upang kami matuto. Nagpasalamat at ikay na imbento.
Try, and try. The more I try, the more I cry. I practice math with my heart and soul. Yes, I'm not able to achieve my goal. I never get much in maths, in spite of my great endeavors. Fate is never in my favor. I really want to improve my maths because I love this subject. And for this, I'm trying my level best. I am candid to confess, in mathematics examination, I always create a mess. All the numbers I guess, and ultimately, the marks I guess are quite less. I believe that if I do ample practice, I will one day probably achieve my goal. And I seriously have to improve. Because in our lives, math plays a very important role.
Mathematics of life. Add the opportunities, subtract the errors, multiply the victories, divide the obstacles, integrate your caliber, differentiate your weakness, inverse the density, simplify the struggle, solve your life. Thank you.
Math is fun. I am a fan. Math is fun. I am a fan. It makes me think. It makes me wink. It makes me blink. But it does not make me sink. Math is fun. I am a fan. I count 1, 2, 3 to start my day. I use numbers when I play. Yes, math makes my day. Math is fun. I am a fan. With numbers I can do sum. With numbers there is no harm, but gives me a charm. With numbers I can make fun, counting all the flowers under the sun. Math is fun, and I am a fan.
The greatest thing you have ever learned. It's really going to help you at every point. Your great math teacher will make you know all the subjects before you go. Math is really something that I would say, but some people hate it and wish it would go away. English is okay, but I think that math is better. Now I can find the area of the feather.
Math is always every day, everywhere. Math is always, we count every hour, every minute, every second. We measure height, space, and size. We estimate mass and time. We solve problem solving, math, every day, everywhere. We add if something is missing. We subtract if too much. We multiply to have more. We divide to separate. Math is all around, always, every day, everywhere.
Math. Math is a must in the everyday world, for every man and woman, for every girls and boys. Without math, you wouldn't have grades. Without math, clothes wouldn't be made. Without math, you wouldn't get pay. Math is a must, each and every day. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 2 is 4. You had to know math to get the right score. Surgeons needed to operate. Xeroxers needed to duplicate. For other people like you and me, it's as easy as 1, 2, and 3. Learn it and see how fun math can be. When you wake up, you count the meals, and every month, you count the bills. You count the letters in the alphabet, you count the money in your wallet.
Learning math is fun. Learning math is fun, but this may not be to some. There is difficulty and confusion if you do not know the rules and equations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They are called as fundamental operations. Percentage, fractions, and decimals. They are part of the math essentials. Solving math problems is useful, for we apply it in real-life situations. Math is wonderful. It helps us make right and smart decisions. Getting the greater common factor and the least common multiple of numbers makes our mind wonders. Solving math problems is both easy and hard, and yet fun and beneficial throughout the journey.
Math. Math is the love of my life. I can't buy delicious foods without math. I can't dress up like a princess without math. I can't go to school like ALC without math. Math is the love of my life. Addition is applied and I'm happy. Subtraction is applied and I'm sad. Multiplication is applied and I'm generous. Math is the love of my life. Problem is like an angle. It starts with a right angle. It's getting worse than an acute angle. Suddenly it becomes a straight angle if there is a 360-degree solution. So math is the love of my life and my best friend forever.
Math is necessary in life. We deal with math in order to survive. In this world of possibilities, math always gives opportunities, from counting numbers 1 to 10 to fractions, decimals, with a pen solving problems from day to day with solutions that makes us happy. All professions deal with math, from blue collars to white in the path. Math allows us to survive in this world that we live and love. Let us enjoy math in our own way. Treat it as a friend that makes you happy, for no one can live without math, so deal with it and be all out.